In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use color swatches and upload images to variants in Shopify. Let's start on your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main admin area where you can see an overview of your store, like recent orders and sales. From here, look over to the left-hand side menu and click on Products. This is where all the items in your store are listed and where we'll manage your colors and variant images. On the Products page, find and click on the product you want to work on. This should be the product where you'd like customers to choose between different colors using swatches, and where each color will have its own image. Take a second to confirm you've opened the correct product by checking the title at the top of the page. Now scroll down until you reach the Variants section. This is where Shopify lists all the different versions of your product, like different sizes, colors, or materials. Within this section, look for the color variants specifically and click into that area so we can edit them. Next, click on the option to add color. This opens up a panel showing you a list of available colors. Here you can select the colors you want to use for this product, or deselect any that you no longer need. As you click colors on or off, you're essentially controlling which swatches will appear for customers on your product page. If you don't see the exact color you need, you can create it. Click on Add New Entry to add a new color. For example, a shade like beige. Give it a clear, simple name that your customers will recognize, then save it. This new color can now be used just like the others. Once your colors are set up, it's time to add images to your variants. Still in the variants section, look at the row for each variant and find the empty image space next to it. Click on that blank image area to start assigning a picture to that specific variant. A media picker will open. If you already have a suitable image uploaded, simply click on it to select it. If you don't have one yet, click on Add Files, upload the correct image from your computer, and then select it. When you are happy with your selection, click Done. Repeat this for each color variant so every swatch has a matching image, then remember to save your product.